Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use blue silica gel. First, identify items or areas needing moisture control, such as electronics, documents, or storage containers. Distribute the silica gel packets or loose beads evenly within the space. Ensure good air circulation around the gel for optimal absorption. The gel will begin absorbing moisture immediately, protecting your valuables from humidity damage. Blue silica gel is incredibly useful because it changes color to show when it's full of moisture. Initially, the beads are a vibrant blue. As they absorb water, they gradually turn pink, indicating they are saturated. This visual cue makes it easy to know exactly when your gel needs attention. Once pink, it's time to regenerate the gel to restore its drying power. Regenerating your blue silica gel is simple and extends its life. You can spread the beads on a baking sheet and heat them in an oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 to 2 hours. Another option is microwaving them on medium power for 5 to 10 minutes, stirring every few minutes. The gel is ready for reuse once it turns back to its original blue color. Once regenerated, store your blue silica gel in an airtight container to prevent it from absorbing ambient moisture before you need it. This ensures maximum effectiveness for its next use. You can reuse the gel many times, making it an economical and eco-friendly solution for humidity control. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.